it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and what you are staring at here is more than a year's worth of planner leftovers, which I have been accumulating. So if you don't know, every week when I sit down to do my plan with me, is basically at the end of the plan with me, I show you what is left in the kit, and then I go ahead and just stick that in a pile, and it has been building up and building up and building up for over a year. So I thought it would be fun to do a giveaway of all of this stuff. I am just ready to get it out of my office, and if you are someone who likes planner leftovers, well, then this is the giveaway for you. So this giveaway is open to anyone in the US. In order to enter, all you need to do is be subscribed on my YouTube channel, be subscribed to my Instagram, and leave a comment below just letting me know that you would like to enter. It doesn't even have to be anything fancy. For another chance to enter, you can head over to my Instagram, and I will have a post to enter there as well to up your chance. I'm gonna start by giving away 5 leftover bundles, and then if I have more stuff after that, I will host another giveaway until all of this stuff is all gone. But basically, if you win, I am going to just stuff this bubble mailer as full as humanly possible with stuff from this stack, with all planner pages from this stack, and then you will just get that in the mail. I have this all separated out by shop right now, but if you win, you're gonna just get a random assortment of things. However, I will keep kit pages together. So if you end up getting this kit, you will get all of the pages from it that I have. That way, it kind of maximizes your chances of being able to do a spread. Some of these pages, because it is leftovers, are fairly empty. Like this from the Sadie Stickers 4th of July kit only has like 4 stickers on it, and just a couple of things versus, but some of them are quite full, like this set of Hello Petite paper headers, which I didn't use any of, or this Fashion Girl add-on, which I didn't use any of. So it's really a very mixed bag. I also have some stuff in here from that are like freebies from different orders or from foil pull bags, just stuff that I'm never gonna use because it's a holiday I don't celebrate, or it's in a foil color that I won't use, or just something that I just in, little freebies, etc. Anyway, I'm going to be giving away all of this stuff. Like I said, I'm going to start with 5 giveaway winners, and then afterwards, if I have more stuff, which I have a feeling I will, but I don't really feel like pre-stuffing. I didn't want to pre-stuff them so that I could show you all this, so I'm not exactly sure how many of these I'll be able to give away. So we'll start with 5, and then if there's more, I will host another giveaway in a couple of weeks. This giveaway is open until June 6th, so you have until June 6th to comment down below and let me know that you would like to enter. Again, open to anyone in the US, and that is pretty much it for this video. So I'm just really excited to be destashing this, to gift some of this along to you. I know some people really like planner empties, and a lot of people really like free stuff. I certainly like free stuff. So anyway, even if it is used and there are missing stickers, there's still a lot of really excellent things you can do on this. I've definitely done leftover spreads before, especially if you use a smaller size planner. This is a really great way to plan. I used to use my own leftovers in my smaller size planners, but as I'm not doing a small size planner right now, I just have my memory planner. I figured I would share the love and pass some of this stuff along. So don't forget to enter here down below, and then also head over to my Instagram channel and you can enter there as well. Again, this is open till June 6th, and I will pick 5 winners and announce that over I'll reply to your comment here if you won, or I'll, DM you on Instagram, etc. To let you know that you've won. But anyway, that is everything for today. So don't forget to enter, like this video, subscribe to enter, and also just to subscribe, and also check me out on Instagram and follow me over there to enter again. So that is everything, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.